Business Health Insurance / a Health Insurance at Work Guide. Chapter 1. Health Insurance at Work. Health Insurance at Work. Employers generally pay for some or most health insurance, but usually not all. You'll probably pay your share of the cost in at least two ways. 1. Your employer will charge a fee to be part of the company's health insurance plan. This is called the premium. 2. There's a deductible. You have to pay the first 20% or so toward your medical treatment. 3. The co-payment is the flat fee you pay for every doctor visit or prescription. All about the benefits.com. Medical services at work. Some companies and organizations have a first aid or medical office on site which does some medical services on the employees. Workplacemedical.com, Health Services at Work. Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act / COBRA, Health Insurance when you leave a job. There is a federal program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, COBRA, where you can keep medical benefits if you were getting group health insurance coverage as an employee benefit for a company with 20 or more employees, then you quit, got laid off, or your hours were reduced. If you agree to pay for the medical coverage out of your own pocket, you can stay on the company plan for up to 18 months. If you're the spouse of an employed person who died or you're divorced from him, you too may be eligible for COBRA if you didn't have any other coverage. If you're disabled within 60 days of leaving the company, you can stay on COBRA benefits for 29 months as long as you pay the premiums. dol.gov/dole/pwba, 800-998-7542, info about COBRA. dol.gov/ebss/faq/faq_consumer_cobra.html. cobraoptions.com/library.html. dol.gov/topic/health-plan/portability.htm. cobrahealth.com. aarp.org/health/insurance/private/200-05-02-cobra.html. dol.gov/dole/pwba free booklets, health benefits under the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act and recent changes in healthcare law. U.S. Public Health Service. Grants Policy Branch, COBRA. 5600 Fishers Lane. #317A45. Rockville, Maryland 20857. phs.os.dhhs.gov/phs/phs.html. Info about COBRA for public sector employees. Chapter 2. Business Health Insurance Info. Group Health Insurance Info. Group insurance covers a group of people, usually an association like a church group, a union like a teachers' union, the professional/trade group of a particular profession, or the employees of a company. If you are a business owner, you can pay for your medical insurance as a business expense out of company funds as opposed to buying it personally and not having it deducted for income tax purposes. When you hire employees, you are regulated by the Employee Retirement Income Security Act / ERISA, which does not require employers to provide medical, retirement, or any other benefits to employees, but having happy employees is really the final goal of company owners, which is why they offer benefits. ERISA regulates how benefits must be administered if the employer decides to provide them. The biggest issue is whether you should offer equal benefits to all employees, including family members of your employees. This is a complex issue dependent on where you live. Contact an employment attorney or a benefits consultant about it. If you decide to offer medical insurance, spell out the terms clearly in your company manual, or if you don't have one, write it out clearly somewhere. In order to qualify for most group insurance plans, you need a minimum of 2 employees, you and someone else. Medical insurance policies themselves are very different. I cover this issue more in depth in my medical book. If you're a very small operation and hire 1 or 2 employees only occasionally, one technique to use is to set up a medical insurance policy for yourself, raise the salaries of your workers, and offer them the opportunity to get coverage by joining your policy and setting their own coverage levels. Try to help workers with serious medical illnesses by reducing their work hours, giving them time off, using the company's resources to help them, but at some point, they may be a liability. The honorable thing to do is to continue to give them benefits while terminating them from the job. Most employees are attracted to work for a company if it has a good medical insurance plan. Smaller companies in general pay half of the health insurance coverage, and the employees must cover the other half if they want to be part of the plan. Bigger companies and the government as an employer generally offer much better terms. If you're self-employed and have no employees, you don't qualify for group health insurance, so you have to buy a personal policy. The National Association of Self-Employed Executives offers its members health insurance at a reasonable price. Try your professional or trade organization for group health insurance. If you have 2 or more employees, look on your phone book for HMOs offering group health insurance. Try Blue Cross/Blue Shield. Check out some books in the hashtag 362.10-362.16 or RA 395 to the RA 645 section of your library that might tell you how to save money on healthcare, and books at hashtag 368.3 that deal with health insurance. Look in your local phone book under health insurance or health services for local health insurance companies. Group insurance plans. Join any of the following groups and qualify for their group health insurance plan. AAA.com, American Automobile Association. AARP.org, American Association of Retired Persons. NACE.org, National Association for the Self-Employed. Business Insurance Organizations. The National Association for the Self-Employed. 800-527-5504. NACE.org. Health Insurance. American Association for Consumer Benefits. ConsumerBenefits.com. Promotes the use of insurance and medical benefits by small business owners. National Association of Socially Responsible Organizations. 1925 KST. Number 310. Washington, D.C. 20006. 800-638-8113. NASRO-co-op.com. Health insurance for nonprofits, small businesses, and the self-employed. Business group health insurance websites. National Health Insurance Consumer Helpline. 800-942-4242. AdvanceInsurance.com. API.org, American Association of Health Plans. AHAF.org, 800-437-2423, American Health Assistance Foundation. ChristianBrotherhood.org. Chubb.com, Insurance for Businesses and Professionals. DiversifiedGB.com, Group Health Insurance. eHealthInsurance.com. HealthInsurance.org. HealthInsuranceInfo.net. HIAA.org, Health Insurance Association of America. HMOGroup.com. HMOPAGE.com. IIA.org, Independent Insurance Agents. III.org. SimpleCare.com, membership at SimpleCare.com, 888-469-1112, nonprofit program of the American Association of Patients and Providers which offers an alternative solution. Soho.org, Group Insurance. business.com/directory/financial_services/insurance/health_insurance/group. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/group_insurance. grouphealthinsurance.com. group-health-insurance-comparisons.com. grouphealtheyes.com. health-insure.com/group_health_insurance.html. insuranceforusa.com/group-health-insurance.cfm. quotecatcher.com. Small business/self-employment health insurance websites. health-insurance.insurance-directory.com/small-business-health-insurance.html. sba.gov/healthcare. insure.com/business/smallbizbasics.html. business.com/directory/financial_services/small_finance/insurance/health_insurance. business-insurance-free-quote.com. businessinsuраncenow.com. gethealthinsurancequotes.com/small-business.html. goodhealthquotes.com/group-health-insurance.htm. healthinsurance.instantinsurancequotesonline.com. healthinsuranceFinders.com/group-health-insurance.html. healthinsuranceindepth.com/group-health-insurance.html. insuremarket.com/products/small_business/index_sb. insurance.alloptions.com/small-business-health-insurance.asp. insurance-group.com. insureamericabusiness.com. insuredbucinasusa.com. kaisergroup-health-insurance.com. medhealth-insurance.com/smallbusiness.htm. self-employed-insurance.com. smallbusiness-health-insurance.com. thehealthinsurance.com/smallgroup.htm. vsp.com, Vision Service Plan, Prepaid Vision Care Plan for Businesses. workingtoday.org, Group Insurance Rates for Independent Contractors. A health insurance website and organization guide. Chapter 1. Health Insurance Resources. Health Insurance Resources. caredata.com, database on healthcare plans and quality. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Healthcare Financing Administration. 6325 Security Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland 21207. hcfa.gov. Medicare and Medicaid Hotline. 800-638-6833. Medicare.gov. Health Insurance Association of America. 1025 Connecticut Ave NW. Number 1200. Washington, D.C. 20036-3998. 800-942-4242. 202-223-7780. HIAA.org. Lobbying group for health insurance which supplies free booklets to the public. Free booklet guide to health insurance. National Association of Health Underwriters. 2000 North 14th Street. Number 450. Arlington, Virginia 22201. NAU.org. American Accreditation Healthcare Commission. 202-296-0120. URC.org. American Association of Health Plans. 1129 20th Street. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-778-3200. 877-291-2247. API@API.org. API.org. Trade organization representing more than 1,000 HMOs, PPOs, etc. Free booklet, a common sense guide to choosing a health plan. The Managed Healthcare Directory is a list of all members. Center for Healthcare Rights. 520 South Lafayette Park. PL. Number 214. La California 90057. 213-383-4519. Healthcare Advocacy. Dorland Healthcare Information. 1500 Walnut Street. Number 1000. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102. 800-784-2332. DorlandHealth.com. Affiliated with the AAHP, the CELA Directory of Health Plans. Alliance of Claims Assistance Professionals. 877-275-8765. 630-588-1260. Claims.org. If you're filing a claim, they'll help you for a fee. Consumer Coalition for Quality Healthcare. 1275K St. NW. Number 602. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-789-3606. Consumers.org. Health Insurance Association of America. 555 13th Street Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20004. 800-942-4242. 800-879-4422. 202-824-1600. 202-223-7780. Fax, 202-824-1722. HIAA.org. Lobbying group for health insurance which supplies free booklets to the public. Free booklet Guide to Health Insurance. National Committee for Quality Assurance. 2000 L. St. NW. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20036. 800-839-6487. NCOA.org. Reports on the quality of managed care plans. People's Medical Society. 462 Walnut Street. Allentown, Pennsylvania 18102. 610-770-1670. Fax, 610-770-0607. peoplesmed.org. Public Citizen Health Research Group. 1600 20th Street Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20009. 202-588-1000. Citizen.org/HRG. U.S. Labor DEPT. Department of Labor. 800-998-7542. dol.gov/dole/pwba. Free publication Recent Changes in Healthcare Laws. American Association of Retired Persons. 601 E St. NW. Washington, D.C. 20049. AARP.org. Free booklet Managed Care, an AARP Guide. Joint Commission on Accreditation of Healthcare Organizations. 630-792-5800. jcaho.org. Performance Reports on Health Plans. Medical Information Bureau. POG 105, Essex STA. Boston, Massachusetts 02112. 617-426-3660. MIB.com. This is a central watchdog agency which keeps medical records on people to give to insurance companies, which then determine if they are trying to perpetuate a fraudulent claim/policy. Contact them to get a copy of your medical report for about $8. You can get your medical record or your insurance records from them. The National Association for the Self-Employed. 800-527-5504. NACE.org. Health Insurance. National Association of Socially Responsible Organizations. 1925 KST. Number 310. Washington, D.C. 20006. 800-638-8113. Health Insurance for Nonprofits, Small Businesses, and the Self-Employed. National Committee for Quality Assurance. 2000 L. St. NW. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-955-3515. 800-839-6487. ncqa.org. They evaluate health plans and offer a free brochure on how to select one. Simple Care. Medical Arts Center. 4033 Talbot Road South. Number 570. Renton, Washington 98055. 888-469-1112. Fax, 425-254-1111. Membership at simplecare.com. Simplecare.com. Part of nonprofit program of the American Association of Patients and Providers, alternative to conventional health insurance. tccm.org. 888 Psalms 23. Christian Medi-Sharing Program. United Seniors Health Cooperative. 1331 H St. N.W. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-393-6222. 800-637-2604. ushc-online.org. Publications and programs. Book Managing Your Healthcare Finances. Health Insurance Plans. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota. BlueCrossMN.com. Health Partners. HealthPartners.com. GUIDECha. GUIDECha.com. Patient Choice Insights by Aetna. Aetna.com. Preferred One. PreferredOne.com. UCare. UCARI.org. Health Insurance Companies Info. American Association of Health Plans. 1129 20th Street. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-778-3200. 877-291-2247. epub@ep.org. epub.org. Trade organization representing more than 1,000 HMOs, PPOs, etc. Free booklet, A Common Sense Guide to Choosing a Health Plan. HMO Medicare Hotline. 800-633-4227. 800 Medicare. Medicare.gov. Free information. AAA911health.com, low-cost discount healthcare plan. HealthInsuranceFinders.com. 4-health-insurance-rates.com. B-insurance-smart.com. Easy-health-insurance-quote.com. eHealthInsurance.com. HealthInsuranceFinders.com. Health-insurance-finds.com. Health.insuranceguide101.com. HealthInsuranceListings.com. HealthInsuranceSavings.com. InsureMe.com. LocalInsurance.com. MedicalHelpers.com. NetQuote.com. TheHealthInsuranceCenter.com. ADMARinc.com. Aetna.com. AllQuotesInsurance.com. AMA-association.org. AMSChoices.com, American Medical Security. Anthem-inc.com. ASGR.com, Healthcare Services to Prisons. BuySmart.com/HMO. Cigna.com. Conseco.com. ConsumerBenefits.net. CORVEL.com. CountryCompanies.com. CrawfordandCompany.com. eHealthInsurance.com. EmpireHealthcare.com. ANSURANCE.com. Extend1.com. FHS.com, Foundation Health Systems. FindInsurance.com. GHI.com, New York. GLIC.com, Guardian Life. HCFA.gov, cms.hhs.gov/medicare/mcareNSM. HCHS.com, Holy Cross Health System. HealthAccess.com. HealthInsuranceSavings.com. HIPUSA.com, New York. Humana.com, Southeast and Midwest. InsuranceBytes.com. InsureMe.com. InsWeb.com. KaiserPermanente.org. LibertyMutual.com. LifeAndHealth.com. LocalInsurance.com. LowQuotes.com. LutheranBro.com, Lutheran Brotherhood. MAMSI.com, Mid-Atlantic Medical Services. MaxiCare.com. MedicareItes.org. MedicareAdvocaki.org. Medicare.gov, 800-633-4227. MNHealthNetwork.com. MostChoice.com. NACOLaw.com, 800-800-3333. 3656, North American Company for Life and Health Insurance. Netquote.com. NewYorkLife.com. NHP.org, Massachusetts. ODSHP.com, Medical and Dental Insurance. OXHP.com, 800-444-6222, Northeast. Pacificare.com. PacificLife.com, Group Health. Protective.com. Prudential.com, Group Health. QuoteForInsurance.com. QuoteMonster.com. QuoteMyInsurance.com. QuoteSmith.com. Safeco.com. Secure Horizons from Pacificare.com. StateFarm.com. TheHartford.com. TheHealthInsuranceCenter.com. TorchMarkCorp.com. Trigon.com. TrustMarkInsurance.com. TuftsHealthPlan.com. UnitedHealthGroup.com. Unitrin.com. USNews.com, ranks HMOs annually, October. UWZ.com, United Wisconsin Services. What'sHealth.com. WellPoint.com, Health and Life, California. High Deductible Health Plans /HDHPs. A High Deductible Health Plans, HDHP, is an inexpensive health insurance policy with a high deductible that you use only if you have a serious medical problem. People pair this with a health savings account that they use for minor ailments or to pay the deductible on their insurance policy. Buzzle.com/articles/high-deductible-health-insurance.html. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/high-deductible_health_plan. High-deductible-health-insurance-plans.org. ehow.com, low-cost, high-deductible health insurance. health-insurance.org/high-deductible. High-deductible-health-insurance-plans.com. High-deductible-health-plan.org. Insurance rating services. Beyond your state insurance commissioner, there are several companies which, for a fee, rate insurance companies on their ability to pay claims. You can find them at your local library in the reference section. Badfaithinsurance.org, FPIC ranks insurance companies on their records to pay claims promptly and properly in good faith. Insure.com/ratings/index.html. Insurance company ratings. FitchRatings.com. AM. Best. Amis.com/ratings. Moody's Investor Services. Moodys.com. Standard & Poor's Corp. StandardandPoor's.com/ratings-actions/ratings lists. Weiss Research. WeissRatings.com. Chapter 2. U.S. State Health Insurance Info. State Government Health Plans. loc.gov/law/help/state-health-plans/index.php, State Legislation on Comprehensive Health Care Coverage. StateHealthFacts.org, find out how well your state is doing in regard to health coverage and the uninsured. State Health Insurance Offices. Each state has its own laws and regulations governing all types of insurance. Every state has a health insurance counseling program that can give you free information and assistance on Medicare, Medicaid, Medigap, long-term health care and other health insurance benefits. They can also give you the names of HMOs in the area. Alabama Health Insurance Information. 800-243-5463. 334-242-5743. Alaska Health Insurance Information. 800-478-6065. 907-269-3680. Arizona Health Insurance Information. 800-432-4040. 602-542-6595. Arkansas Health Insurance Information. 800-852-5494. 501-371-2782. California Health Insurance Information. 800-434-0222. 916-323-0000. 7315. BlueCrossSCA.com, California. CalPatientGuide.org, the California Patient's Guide. Colorado Health Insurance Information. 800-544-9181. 303-894-7499. ColoradoHealthOnline.com, Colorado Business Group on Health, a nonprofit organization that grades Colorado HMOs using audited satisfaction and performance surveys. Connecticut Health Insurance Information. 800-994-9422. 860-424-5245. Delaware Health Insurance Information. 800-336-9500. 302-739-6266. District of Columbia Health Insurance Information. 202-676-3900. Florida Health Insurance Information. 800-963-5337. 850-414-2060. JoeFloridaInsurance.com/Florida-health-insurance.htm. Georgia Health Insurance Information. 800-669-8387. 404-657-5334. Hawaii Health Insurance Information. 808-586-7299. Idaho Health Insurance Information. 800-488-5725. 208-334-4350. Illinois Health Insurance Information. 800-548-9034. 217-785-9021. IllinoisAttorneyGeneral.gov/consumers/HIPAA.pdf, your rights under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Indiana Health Insurance Information. 800-452-4800. 317-233-3475. Iowa Health Insurance Information. 800-351-4664. 515-281-6867. Kansas Health Insurance Information. 800-432-3535. 316-337-7386. Kentucky Health Insurance Information. 800-372-2973. 502-564-7372. Louisiana Health Insurance Information. 800-259-5301. 225-342-0825. Maine Health Insurance Information. 800-750-5353. 207-623-1797. Maryland Health Insurance Information. 800-243-3425. 410-767-1100. Massachusetts Health Insurance Information. 800-882-2003. 617-727-7750. Michigan Health Insurance Information. 800-803-7174. 517-373-8230. Minnesota Health Insurance Information. 800-882-6262. 651-333-2433. Mississippi Health Insurance Information. 800-948-3090. 601-359-4929. doi.state.ms. Missouri Health Insurance Information. 800-390-3330. 573-893-7900. MissouriHealthInsurance.com. Montana Health Insurance Information. 800-332-2272. 406-444-7781. Nebraska Health Insurance Information. 402-471-2201. 402-471-2202. 2201. Nevada Health Insurance Information. 800-307-4444. 775-486-3478. New Hampshire Health Insurance Information. 800-852-3388. 603-225-9000. New Jersey Health Insurance Information. 800-792-8820. 609-588-3139. New Mexico Health Insurance Information. 800-432-2080. 505-827-7640. hsd.state.nm.us/mad/sci.html. New York Health Insurance Information. 800-333-4114. 212-869-3850. North Carolina Health Insurance Information. 800-443-9354. 919-733-0111. North Dakota Health Insurance Information. 800-247-0560. 701-328-2440. Ohio Health Insurance Information. 800-686-1578. 614-644-3458. OhioQuote.com, National Health Insurance Quotes. Oklahoma Health Insurance Information. 800-763-2828. 405-521-6628. Oregon Health Insurance Information. 800-722-4134. 503-947-7984. State.or.us. Pennsylvania Health Insurance Information. 800-783-7067. 717-783-8975. Rhode Island Health Insurance Information. 800-322-2880. 401-222-2880. South Carolina Health Insurance Information. 800-868-9095. 803-898-2850. schouse.gov. scstatehouse.net. South Dakota Health Insurance Information. 800-822-8804. 605-773-3656. Tennessee Health Insurance Information. 800-525-2816. 615-741-4955. Texas Health Insurance Information. 800-252-3439. 512-424-6840. CorpusInsurance.com, Corpus Christi, TX. Utah Health Insurance Information. 800-439-3805. 801-538-3910. Insurance.state.ut.us/HIPAA.htm. Insurance.utah.gov. Insurance.utah.gov/HIPAA.htm. Vermont Health Insurance Information. 800-642-5119. 802-828-3302. Virginia Health Insurance Information. 800-552-3402. 804-662-9333. Washington Health Insurance Information. 800-397-4422. 360-407-0383. WashingtonInjuredWorker.com/practice-areas/pre-existing-conditions.asp. Pre-existing condition insurance law, Spokane, Seattle, Tacoma. West Virginia Health Insurance Information. 800-642-9004. 877-987-4463. 304-558-3317. Wisconsin Health Insurance Information. 800-242-1060. 608-266-2536. state.wi.us/agency/oc/pub_list/pi-001.htm, Shopper's Guide to Cancer Insurance. Wyoming Health Insurance Information. 800-856-4398. 307-856-6880. American Samoa Health Insurance Information. 808-586-7299. Guam Health Insurance Information. 808-586-7299. N. Mariana Islands Health Insurance Information. 808-586-7299. Puerto Rico Health Insurance Information. 787-721-8590. Virgin Islands Health Insurance Information. 340-778-6311. Chapter 3. A Health Insurance Website Guide 1. Health Insurance Search Engines. business.com/directory/financial_services/insurance/health_insurance. Healthcare-programs.com. health-insurance.insurance-directory.com. healthinsuranceanywhere.com. healthcareshopper.com. a1-insurance-quote.com. API.org, American Association of Health Plans. HIAA.org. Learn about health insurance websites. Check out some books in the hashtag 362.10-362.16 or RA 395 to the RA 645 section of your library that might tell you how to save money on healthcare, and books at hashtag 368.3 that deal with health insurance. Look in your local phone book under health insurance or health services for local health insurance companies. Best Healthins are on cebook.com. webmd.com/health-insurance/tc/understanding-health-types-of-health-insurance, Health Insurance Guide. Foundation for Health Coverage Education. 800-234-1317, Helpline. CoverageForall.org. Life and Health Insurance@cenews.com. healthinsurancechecklist.com/glossary.html. insurancefinder.com/healthinsurance. ehealthinsurance.com. NAU.org, the National Association of Health Underwriters. mcare.net, the National Clearinghouse on Managed Care. chcs.org, Center for Healthcare Strategies. healthinsuranceinfo.net. NOLHGA.com, National Organization of Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Associations. healthlistings.com/healthlistings/state health insurance. Health Insurance Association of America. HIAA.org. Lobbying group for insurance companies. They can provide you with information on insurance. Health insurance websites. 1. Finder.healthcare.gov, find health insurance for your family. 10 healthinsurance.info. a1-health-care.com. AARP.org, 800-424-3410, American Association of Retired Persons. AARP.org/health coverage. Affordable-health.com. AffordableHealthCoverage.com. AllCitiesHealthInsurance.com. AllInsuranceSales.com. AllQuotesInsurance.com. AmericanHealthBenefits.com, offers health insurance service plans for prescription drugs, dental, vision and chiropractic care. Aquent.com. BuyAmericanInsurance.com. HealthInsuranceKnowledge.com. CIGA.com, Cincinnati Group Health. CheapHealthInsurance.bz. Cigna.com, Cigna. ConsumerReports.org. CostPlus-Benefits.com, Health and Dental. CriticalIllnessHealthInsurance.com. FastHealthInsuranceQuotes.com/health insurance providers. Find-health-insurance.com. Findinsurance.com. Findinsurance.us. GetFreeInsuranceQuotes.com. GetHealthInsuranceQuotes.com. Get-insurance.net. GetInsuranceQuotes.org. GICinsurance.org. GlobalHealth.com. GoodHealthQuotes.com/group-health-insurance.htm. GuaranteedHealthcare.org. Guaranteed-issue-health-insurance.com. Healthinsurance.com. Healthinsurance.instantinsurancequotesonline.com. Healthinsurance.net. Healthinsurance.org. Healthinsurance99.com. Health-insurance-agents.org. Healthinsuranceanywhere.com. Healthinsuranceanywhere.net. Healthinsurancechoice.com. Healthinsurancecontrol.com. Health insurance websites too. aarp.org/health/insurance/article/individualinsurance.html, individual health insurance. Colonialpenn.com, colonialpenn.com, we make insurance simple. bcbs.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield, healthcare. faypeblue.org, faypeblue.org, Federal Employee Program. HelpMeFindInsurance.com. HicksAssociatesInsurance.com. Insure.com/article/health insurance. Insure.com/health. Insure.us/health-insurance. InsureClick.com. InsureCo.org. InsuredAtLast.com. LocalInsurance.com. LocalInsuranceListings.com. Low-cost-health-insurance-programs.com. LowestPremium.com. LowQuotes.com. MagellanHealth.com. HealthInsuranceFinders.com. MedicalInsurance.bz. QuickHealthInsurance.com. Virtual-health-insurance.com. Findinsurance.com/health-insurance. VRSC.com, Financial Help for Very Sick People. Chapter 4. A Health Insurance Website Guide to Short-Term Health Insurance Websites/Temporary Medical Insurance Websites. Short-Term Health Insurance.insurancebrochure.com. Healthinsurance.org/learn/short-term-health-insurance. einsurance.com/health-insurance/short-term-health-health-insurance. Insure.com/article/health-insurance/short-term.html. aflac.com/individual/short-disability-insurance.aspx. alliednational.com/short-term.htm. short-termhealthinsurance.com. short-termhealthinsurance.net. short-term-health-insurance.org. short-termhealthinsurance.us. short-termhealthusa.com. Hi websites from triagecancer.org/health insurance. triagecancer.org/state laws #sign health insurance laws, Triage Cancer chart of state laws related to health insurance. triagecancer.org/blog, Triage Cancer educational blog healthcare reform and other laws. triagecancer.org/quick guide health insurance options, quick guide to health insurance options. cancerfinances.org, health insurance options. triagecancer.org/medicaid expansion, states expanding Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act. triagecancer.org/quick guide COBRA, quick guide to COBRA. triagecancer.org/quick guide Medicare, quick guide to Medicare. triagecancer.org/marketplaces, quick guide to status of state health insurance marketplaces. triagecancer.org/appeal tracking form, health insurance appeals tracking form. triagecancer.org/resources/state resources, state health insurance marketplace. healthcare.gov/law/full/index.html, the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act 2010 full text. healthcare.gov. Healthcare.gov/what-is-the-health-insurance-marketplace, state health insurance marketplaces. Healthcare.gov/families, healthcare reform. Healthcare.gov/small-businesses, healthcare reform for small businesses. CMS.gov/CCIO/index.html, Center for Consumer Information and Insurance Oversight, CIO. KFF.org/health-reform, Families USA Healthcare Reform and Implementation. KFF.org, Kaiser Family Foundation Healthcare Reform. Medicare.gov, Medicare. MyMedicare.gov, MyMedicare.gov. Medicaid.gov, Medicaid. Healthlaw.org/issues/Medicaid/Medicaid-expansion-toolbox, Medicaid Expansion Toolbox. CaliforniaHealthline.org, California Healthline. Some health insurance websites and articles at feedspot.com/news/health_insurance. Healthcare.gov, Healthcare Insurance Blog. Healthcare.gov. Guide to Buying Individual Health Insurance. Healthinsurance.org. Health Insurance, Reddit. Reddit.com. Kaiser Health News, Insurance. KHN.org. Trupanion Blog. Trupanion.com. Trupanion Pet Insurance. Healthcare Economist. Healthcare-economist.com. Center on Health Insurance Reforms. Churblog.org. Solid Health Insurance. SolidHealthInsurance.com. Chapter 5. A Health Insurance Organization Website Guide from the agapecenter.com/organization/health-insurance.htm. A list of health insurance organization websites in alphabetical order. AALTCI.org, American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance, ALTSI. AAP.org, American Association of Health Plans, AAHP. AASCIF.org, American Association of State Compensation Insurance Funds, ASIF. HealthAntitrust.org, Antitrust Coalition for Consumer Choice in Healthcare, ACCCHC. AHIA.net, Association of Health Insurance Advisors, AHIA. CNorris.com, Clinical Negligence and Other Risk Indemnity Scheme, Norris, Scotland. CDHCA.net, Consumer Driven Healthcare Association, CDHCA. CAHI.org, Council for Affordable Health Insurance, CAHI. HIAA.org, Health Insurance Association of America, HIAA. Physicianswebsites.com, Medical Association of Billers, MAB, Insurance Claims Organization. MHRRG.com, Mental Health Risk Retention Group, MHRRG. NAHU.org, National Association of Health Underwriters, NAHU. NBCH.org, National Business Coalition on Health, NBCH. NCCI.com, National Council on Compensation Insurance, NCCI Holdings, Workers' Compensation. NatCouncil.com, National Council of Self-Insurers, NCSI, Workers' Compensation. NHCPI.net, National Healthcare Purchasing Institute, NCPI. NLTCN.com, National Long-Term Care Network, NLTCN. NSO.com, Nurses Service Organization, NSO. PICAGroup.com, Podiatry Insurance Company of America, PICA. FIAC.gov.au, Private Health Insurance Administration Council, FIAC, Australia, O. SIGFA.org, Self-Insurance Guarantee Funds of America, SIGFA, Workers' Compensation. USAHC.com, United Service Association for Healthcare, USAC, Health Plan. UHCN.org, Universal Healthcare Action Network, UCAN. WCCAonline.org, Workers' Compensation Claims Association, WCCA. WCIO.org, Workers' Compensation Insurance Organizations, WCIO. CareFirst.com, CareFirst Blue Cross Blue Shield Health Insurance. NEHEDIS.org, New England HEDIS Coalition. HEDIS equals Health Plan Employer Data and Information Set. SAWCA.com, Southern Association of Workers' Compensation Administrators, SAWCA. A list of health insurance organizations by U.S. state. Alabama. ALHealthPlans.org, Alabama Association of Health Plans, AAHP. ASIAL.com, Alabama Self-Insurers Association, ASIA, Workers' Compensation. AK. StateFund.com, SCF of Arizona Provider of Workers' Compensation Insurance. AR. ArcSelfInsure.com, Arkansas Self-Insurers Association, Asia, Workers' Compensation. CA. CAHIO.org, California Association of Health Insuring Organizations, CAHIO. CalHealthPlans.com, California Association of Health Plans, CAHP. CAHealthAdvocates.org, California HECAP Association Health Insurance Counseling and Advocacy Program, HECAP. KSLF-insurers.com, California Self-Insurers Association, CSIA, Workers' Compensation. dir.ca.gov/chswc/chswc.html, Commission on Health and Safety and Workers' Compensation, CHSWC. SCIF.com, State Compensation Insurance Fund, SCIF, Workers' Compensation. dir.ca.gov/wcab/wcab.htm, Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, WCAB. WCIRBonline.org, Workers' Compensation Insurance Rating Bureau, USIRB. PINACOL.com, Pinnacle Provider of Workers' Compensation Insurance. Delaware. BCBESTA.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Delaware. DCRB.com, Delaware Compensation Rating Bureau, DCRB, Workers' Compensation. Florida. BCBSFL.com, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Florida. FSIGA.org, Florida Self-Insurers Guarantee Association, FSIGA, Workers' Compensation. Georgia. BCBSGeorgia.com, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Georgia. GAGuarantee.com, Georgia Self-Insurers Guarantee Trust Fund, SIGF, Workers' Compensation. SBWC.georgia.gov, Georgia State Board of Workers' Compensation. HI. HEMIC.com, Hawaii Employers Mutual Insurance Company, HEMIC, Provider of Workers' Compensation Insurance. HMSA.com, Hawaii Medical Service Association, HMSA, Health Insurance. Idaho. BCIdaho.com, Blue Cross of Idaho. State.id.us/ISIF, Idaho State Insurance Fund, ISIF, Provider of Workers' Compensation Insurance. ID.regents.com, Regents Blue Shield of Idaho, Health Insurance. Illinois. BCBSIL.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois. IN. ICRB.net, Indiana Compensation Rating Bureau, ICRB, Workers' Compensation. IndianaMedicaid.com, Indiana Health Coverage Programs, IHCP. IN.gov/workcomp, Indiana Workers' Compensation Board. IWCI.org, Indiana Workers' Compensation Institute, IWCI. IA. Wellmark.com, Wellmark Blue Cross and Blue Shield Iowa and South Dakota. Kansas. BCBSKS.com, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas. hr.state.ks.us/wc/html/wc.htm, Kansas Division of Workers' Compensation. KSIA.org, Kansas Self-Insurers Association, KSIA, Workers' Compensation. wcboard.hr.state.ks.us, Workers' Compensation Appeals Board, WCAB. LA. LawSci.org, Louisiana Association of Self-Insured Employers, LASE, Workers' Compensation. Maine. harvardpilgrim.org, Harvard Pilgrim Healthcare. state.me.us/WCB, Maine Workers' Compensation Board, MWCB. MA. bcbsma.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Massachusetts. deltamass.com, Delta Dental Plan of Massachusetts Dental Insurance. MAP.com, Massachusetts Association of Health Plans, MAHP. state.ma.us/DIA, Massachusetts Department of Industrial Accidents, MDIA, Workers' Compensation. mass.gov/WCAC, Massachusetts Workers' Compensation Advisory Council, WCAC. nhp.org, Neighborhood Health Plan. promutualgroup.com, Promutual Group Medical Malpractice Insurance. wcribma.org, Workers' Compensation Rating and Inspection Bureau of Massachusetts, WCRIBMA. Michigan. MAP.org, Michigan Association of Health Plans, MAHP. MikeHSelfinsurers.org, Michigan Self-Insurers Association, MSIA, Workers' Compensation. Minnesota. BlueCrossMN.com, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Minnesota. MNHealthPlans.org, Minnesota Council of Health Plans, MCHP. MNSIA.com, Minnesota Self-Insurers Association, MSIA, Workers' Compensation. MWCIA.org, Minnesota Workers' Compensation Insurers Association, MUSHA. MS. MWCC.state.ms.us, Mississippi Workers' Compensation Commission, MWCC. MO. MO-MSIA.com, Missouri Self-Insurers Association, MSIA, Workers' Compensation. MT. MTHealth.org, Montana Comprehensive Health Association, MCHA, Health Insurance. Nebraska. BCBSNE.com, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Nebraska. NV. NVSIA.org, Nevada Self-Insurers Association, NSIA, Workers' Compensation. New Jersey. NewJerseyAHP.org, New Jersey Association of Health Plans, NYOP. NM. state.nm.us/WCA, New Mexico Workers' Compensation Administration, WCA. New York. NewYorkCIRB.org, New York Compensation Insurance Rating Board, NYSERB, Workers' Compensation. NewYorkHPA.org, New York Health Plan Association, NIPA. NYSCLFinsurance.com, New York Self-Insurers Association, NYSIA, Workers' Compensation. NC. NCAHP.org, North Carolina Association of Health Plans, NCOP. NCSIGA.org, North Carolina Self-Insurance Guarantee Association, NCSIGA, Workers' Compensation. Ohio. OAP.org, Ohio Association of Health Plans, OAHP. OhioBWC.com, Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation, OBWC. OhioHealthChoice.com, Ohio Health Choice Preferred Provider Organizations, PPO. OSIOhio.org, Ohio Self-Insurers Association, OSIA, Workers' Compensation. NWOSIA.org, Northwestern Ohio Self-Insurers Association, NWOSIA, Workers' Compensation. SEGO-Ohio.org, Self-Insurers Group of Ohio, SEGO, Workers' Compensation. UHCNOhio.org, Universal Healthcare Action Network of Ohio, UCAN, Ohio. Or OSIA.com, Oregon Self-Insurers Association, OSIA, Workers' Compensation. OregonWCD.org, Oregon Workers' Compensation Division, OWCD. Pennsylvania. ManagedCRAPA.org, Managed Care Association of Pennsylvania, MCAP. PCRB.com, Pennsylvania Compensation Rating Bureau, PCRB, Workers' Compensation. SciNet.org, Pennsylvania Self-Insurers Association, PSIA, Workers' Compensation. RI. dlt.state.ri.us/WC, Rhode Island Division of Workers' Compensation. SC. mycgov.com/SCOA, South Carolina State Accident Fund Workers' Compensation. Tennessee. trhealth.com, Tennessee Rural Health, TRH, Health Insurance. state.tn.us/labor-wfd/wcomp.html, Tennessee Workers' Compensation Division. Texas. TAPI.org, Texas Association of Health Plans, TAHP. TXHealthPool.com, Texas Health Insurance Risk Pool, THIRP. TMAIT.org, Texas Medical Association Insurance Trust, TMAIT. TMIC.biz, Texas Medical Insurance Company, TMIC. TMLT.org, Texas Medical Liability Trust, TMLT. UT. laborcommission.utah.gov/indacc/indacc.htm, Utah Division of Industrial Accidents Workers' Compensation. Vermont. state.vt.us/labnd/wcindex.htm, Vermont Workers' Compensation Division. Virginia. FAMIS.org, Family Access to Medical Insurance Security, FAMIS, Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP. VAPI.org, Virginia Association of Health Plans, VAHP. VWC.state.va.us, Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission, VWCC. WA. CHPW.org, Community Health Plan of Washington, CHPW. WSIAssociation.org, Washington Self-Insurers Association, WSIA, Workers' Compensation. WV. WVSIA.com, West Virginia Self-Insurers Association, WVSIA, Workers' Compensation. state.ws/script/bep/WC, West Virginia Workers' Compensation Commission, WVWCC. Wisconsin. wihealthplans.org, Wisconsin Association of Health Plans. WPSIC.com, Wisconsin Physician Service Insurance Corporation. WY. BCBSWY.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Wyoming. wydoe.state.wy.us/do.asp?ID =9, Wyoming Workers' Safety and Compensation Division. Canada Health Insurance Organizations by Province. Manitoba. wcb.mb.ca, Workers' Compensation Board, WCB, of Manitoba. Northwest Territories. wcb.nt.ca, Workers' Compensation Board, WCB, Northwest Territories and Nunavut. NS. gov.ns.ca/WCAT, Workers' Compensation Appeals Tribunal, WCAT. wcb.ns.ca, Workers' Compensation Board, WCB, of Nova Scotia. On. wsiat.on.ca, Ontario Workplace Safety and Insurance Appeals Tribunal, WSIAT. wsib.on.ca, Ontario Workplace Safety and Insurance Board, WSIB. Prince Edward Island. wcb.pe.ca, Prince Edward Island Workers' Compensation Board. SK. wcbsask.com, Saskatchewan Workers' Compensation Board, WCB. Yukon. wcb.yk.ca, Yukon Workers' Compensation Health and Safety Board.